Howdy, good y'all. Okay. This is our second video that we are making. It's about how to make a firework, or fireworks. And then, as you can see, we're the people from how to make a church that has a giant wooden fortress. So, yes. So what we're gonna do first, you're gonna have to spawn a block shop. Then you're gonna have to buy Rhyolite or diamond to do, because it doesn't explode. So we're gonna do it in a tall tower. And then, yeah, as you can see, you can delete it. And then you're gonna buy as much chest as you want. I'd rather buy like 5 to 10, or no, like 1 to 10 on a scale. And then you can either use it with a crate or chest. I like doing it with a chest, but this time I'm gonna try with a crate. So then you're gonna come back up here. And then you're gonna place down a crate.
Or as many as you'd like.
As I said, as much crates as you want. And you're gonna come back down. You're gonna buy 50 salt if you have enough. If you have too much, get your items out. Good. Okay. So I did that. You're gonna buy C4, TNT, C4. I'd rather do C4, it's more stronger, so it will explode them much faster. And you're gonna put them around, so cover them entirely. That. And then you come back down, and then you're gonna need to buy. Actually, no. Okay, so what you do, you're gonna have to buy a bunch of random colors and stuff them into the chest, or the crate, chest, whatever you want. And then, I'd rather do more colors in like every single chest, so it could be more realistic. And then I don't know what you want, but however you want it. As you can see, we have already done it. Cameraman can show you inside what it looks like. Alright, and then what you do once you finish with that, you're gonna ignite it. So you do, you're gonna buy a torch, and you're gonna set it. Once you've done that, it goes boom. It's a firework. See all the colors popped out like real fireworks. So that's how you do how to make fireworks. Thank you, and watch our videos again next time.